Well, guys, it looks like my old lady finally had enough of my snoring and kicked me out. She told me I sound like a dying animal. She took the kids, the treehouse, even the trail cam rights. I'm gonna lose everything. I guess even legends get left behind.
Bigfoot, more like Big Mouth. She said I never talk about my feelings, except in my sleep.
What the hell is this? Those crazy campers and their kinks. Have you guys heard of this? It says it's for snoring? Wait, what if? Betty! Look what I found! You don't have to feel like a hostage anymore! Betty!